Hey friends, and happy 4th of July weekend. Tonight I am celebrating here at the Magic Kingdom. I have dining reservations at the Liberty Tree Tavern. We're gonna eat some food, ride some rides, and watch some fireworks. So, let's go do this. Today is July 3rd. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. Disney did announce they're not going to be doing any special fireworks, but I know Disney. They don't like to disappoint, but they love to surprise people, so anything can happen. Rumor has it, even though they're not doing any special 4th of July fireworks, they might actually do the 4th of July projections on the castle. And they normally do that on the 3rd and the 4th. So, you know, we're just gonna try to wish for the best. It's nice to be able to see that they have the pre-shows back. This is my first time.
Is room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? To find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Only 30 minutes to go and almost not a spot to stand.
On behalf of everyone here at the Magic Kingdom, we thank you for celebrating Independence Day with us today. In just a few moments, the sky above Cinderella Castle will light up with fireworks as we proudly present our nighttime spectacular, Happily Ever After.
You can do better than that. I said, are you excited? Awesome. For your safety at this time, we do need everybody to be standing. Everybody needs to stand up and move forward, filling in any available space.
had a friend like me. Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me.
Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face,
And the voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory were changed by the way we live every day.
just look up and reach to the sky.
We all have the courage to fly.
There it is! Woo!
Thank you for joining us for tonight's presentation of Happily Ever After. We would like to remind you that at this time, you may experience long delays with buses, monorails, and watercraft. We invite you to stay and enjoy all that the Magic Kingdom has to offer until the park closes at 11 p.m.
It also looks like they did the fountains red, white, and blue as well. Take a look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Well, there you have it. We didn't get the 4th of July fireworks, but at least we got the stars and stripes on the castle. I am so happy, and I'm just happy we have fireworks in general. You know what I mean? Like, we weren't gonna have fireworks for 4th of July 2 weeks ago, and now they're here. So I'm happy with Happily Ever After. I was also happy to see Tinkerbell come out of the castle. I'm happy there was no rain. It was really amazing. Activities? Who knows? But anyway, I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful 4th of July. We'll see you next time. Bye.